welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how you can create lovely, luscious locks at home with no heat. All you need is to go to sleep. So I used to do this all the time when I was younger. I washed my hair earlier today and I brushed it through to make sure that it was nice and straight and there weren't any sort of curls in there, but my hair is pretty crazy and frizzy anyway, so yeah. If you want to take a little bit more care of your hair, you don't want to apply as much heat to your hair, you just want something that you can do the night before, wake up in the morning and your hair is good to go. You haven't got to worry about hot irons, you haven't got to worry about burning yourself, which I've done twice now. The memories. All you need for this is maybe a comb to help separate your hair, loads of hair bubbles, probably just a little bit of hairspray. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this fun, quick little video just to show you how you can get some crazy big curls at home without using any heat, without damaging your hair. Obviously don't do them too tight because it might be a little bit uncomfortable. This is a super like throwback of 2012 or 2010, Hannah, if you've been following me for that long. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a like because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. That would be really great for me if you could do that. Please subscribe if you're new here and whack that notification bell on because I upload twice a week and you don't want to miss out on one of my uploads. Yeah, as I said, please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.